My Australian aviation journey began in 2018, and though it's only now in 2024 that it has fully manifested, it has been nothing short of a crazy ride. January 2024 marked the start of my Australian aviation career. And when God answered my prayers, He flooded me with 6 airline opportunities. The decision was incredibly tough. But after 20 years of waiting, I've finally earned my wings back. I will never again give them up for those who couldn't fully support my passions and aspirations. To everyone watching, remember this. Never give up on your dreams. No matter how long it takes, stay patient, trust the process, and believe that every setback is just a setup for something greater. Your time will come, and when it does, it will be worth every challenge you faced along the way. Keep going, because your wings are waiting.